Hey, side hustlers. Now, starting a side hustle has so many benefits. From allowing you to build something you truly love to allowing you to make more money, all while working a job at the same time. Now, today, I'll be going over the 5 best side hustles you can do from home in 2022. Now, these side hustles can and have turned into 6-figure income streams for many side hustlers, and I'm hoping they'll be able to do the same for you. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. Here we talk about side hustles, making money online, personal finance, and Instagram growth strategies. The goal of this channel is to help you start and scale multiple side hustles so that you can truly give yourself the pay raise you deserve. Now let's get straight into it. Now, the first side hustle on our list, I'm not gonna lie, I passed up on it first, but then I gave it another try my junior year in college. And since then, I've been making pretty good money from the site. This side hustle is freelancing on Fiverr. This is probably one of the most overlooked side hustles. So many people pass up on this one. What's great about Fiverr is that you can do most of the work right from your home. For people looking to make some extra money, you can offer your services on Fiverr and charge as much as you want. However, it's always best to start with lower offers and raise your prices as you get more and more reviews. What's great about Fiverr is that you can offer so many different gigs. You aren't restricted to one service, meaning you can offer logo creation, social media management, proofreading, the list goes on and on. The other day I was scrolling on Fiverr and I saw someone that offers a gig where they'll write the bio for your Tinder account. Yes, the dating app Tinder. This person had over 90 sales and was charging $375. The next side hustle is reselling items. eBay and Facebook Marketplace are both amazing resources for entrepreneurs looking to make money. Both have user-friendly selling platforms, which can be seen as a place to expand a retail store, yard sale, or allow you to resell items. These platforms allow you to list items you want to resell and pair you with buyers. Items such as clothes, clothing, furniture, and so on. You can get started by gathering things you have around the house that you don't use anymore. Ideally, the things you sell could be mailed at a low price, so look for the lightweight and smaller items to sell. You could sell your old phone on eBay. This is an item that normally sells quickly. Now, working your way up from things around your house, you want to do some research on eBay and Amazon. Look for what products are selling the fastest, along with which products have the highest profit margins. These are the products you want to aim for. You'll be surprised that some of these products can be found at your local thrift stores and even yard sales for very cheap. You can also go to eBay's sold items list to see what items sold and to get an idea on how to price it. Remember, just because something's listed for $500 does not mean it sells for that. When it comes to earning, the key is profit. You're playing a game of pluses and minuses here. And of course, you want your pluses to outweigh your minuses. That's why researching and buying low and selling high is crucial. The lower the initial price, the better. A way to avoid any upfront cost at all is reselling unused and unwanted items from your grandma's house, your basement, or even your closet. I'm sure you have or know someone who has a few hoodies or old t-shirts that they do not want. What might surprise you is that somebody else might find it a perfect fit and be willing to pay for it. But you never know till you list it. Side note, if you want to sell more substantial items, you could consider selling on the Facebook Marketplace. Downside, you have to meet them in person. So meet in a neutral place and bring a trusted friend or a parent with you. The third side hustle is becoming a virtual assistant. And this is a side hustle pretty much everyone can do. Now, a virtual assistant is exactly what it sounds like. You spend a few hours completing tasks for someone, and it might be for a small firm or a busy individual in a managerial role. The duties and responsibilities have a wide range and usually depend on the requirements and daily operations of the business. Moreover, your role is to complete tasks that are essential for the smooth functioning of a small business or an individual. This is a jack-of-all-trades type of role, and the primary requirement is to be good at multitasking. It's a skill that can be learned with time and experience. The areas you're weak in can be improved through courses on YouTube and Udemy. Learning skills like bookkeeping, content creation, and social media management will allow you to increase how much you charge per hour. You need to market your competencies and skills on various freelancing platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork so that people can find you easily. You can work on an hourly basis for multiple employers or for just one. The work usually lasts from a week to a month, and the quality of work will determine your hourly wages. Offering more for less will blossom a long-term working relationship, and you're likely to earn more after having gathered stellar reviews from your initial clients. The fourth side hustle is social media management. Now, personally, I believe that this one is one of the best side hustles on this list. A social media manager is someone who manages the social media accounts of companies, celebrities, as well as small and medium-sized businesses. You can become a social media manager and manage accounts on a handful of social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Being a social media manager comes with a handful of responsibilities, which you should be prepared for. It entails content creation, planning new campaigns, analyzing reports, and managing online communities. One of the best ways to find clients is by reaching out to small businesses in your local area. Most older individuals have no idea how to use social media to grow their business. So if you know how to use TikTok, Instagram, and/or YouTube, you can go to them and help grow their social media presence and drive more traffic and business. When it comes to how much you charge, it's really dependent on the client, but you can charge anywhere from $300 to $4,000 a month. Now imagine if you got 3 different clients each paying you $1,000 a month. That would be pretty good side hustle money. And it's recurring revenue for literally posting a few pictures on social media and building a community. The next side hustle is building a fan base. Some people call a fan base social media famous or social media clout, but it's so much more than that. I think of it more as building an empire. Your followers or fans are people who feel connected to your page. Whether it's a result of you giving them a daily spark of motivation or are providing daily yoga tips, your followers find love for not only your page, but you as well, depending on the niche. So, why is it important to grow a fan base? The answer is, having a fan base is the ultimate side hustle, as your fan base can be used to boost almost every other side hustle. Now, when it comes to growing a fan base, the most effective way you can increase your fan base size is by advertising your page on other pages and/or channels that already have a strong following. Setting up a few paid promotions a month, what is within budget, can boost your account's following and subscribers by the thousands. Now, going out and promoting yourself from the top of every mountain will gain you the followers. However, to keep the followers, you need to be making and posting content that provides value, and one might find enjoyable. It is essential to realize that your fan base is made up of real people, and you must create and nurture relationships with them. There's no need to be shy about offering services and/or products to your fan base. Most people think followers are just followers. However, followers are fans, and fans are potential clients. Here are a handful of ways you can earn from a fan base. Selling physical products, selling digital products, promoting affiliate marketing links, your blog, your podcast, and advertisement revenue. With that said, let me know in the comments section which of these side hustles you're most interested in. Also, stay tuned for the next video as we keep breaking down side hustles, Instagram growth strategies, and more. Make sure you watch some of the previous videos as well, where we share so much free game and information. Oh yeah, and do me a favor, smash that like button before you go. And I'll see you in the next video.